Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss in short about the direct filling. Coming to the introduction, it is the earliest material which is available for restoration. Though it is not widely used nowadays, when a proper case selection is done and a meticulous care is given to the cavity preparation and material manipulation, direct filling gold can last for a lifetime. Coming to the different forms of gold, it is classified as gold foil, electrolytic precipitate, and powdered gold. The gold foil is subclassified as sheets, ropes, cylinders, laminated foil, and platinized foil. Coming to the electrolytic precipitate, it is classified as matte gold, matte foil, and an electroalloy. And the powdered gold is nothing but which is an encapsulated gold powder. Coming to the gold foil sheets, it can be manufactured either by gold beating or rolling. The light sheets are manufactured by beating, whereas the heavy sheets by rolling. During this process, the crystals become elongated and assume a fibrous appearance. And these fibers, which are running in all directions, interlace with each other, which makes the restoration a stronger material. Coming to the gold foil, it can be either hand rolled or commercially produced. An ideal pellet is produced from the number 4 gold foil, and the desired piece of gold foil is then grasped from the center and the ends are tucked towards the center and rolled tightly into the rounders, and how this is how the gold foil pellet is formed. Coming to the gold foil cylinder, it can also be either hand rolled or it can be commercially rolled. It is also custom made by rolling a cut segment of number 4 gold foil. Moving on to the corrugated foil, it is nothing but it is formed by placing a thin sheet of paper in between the gold foil sheets, which is then later ignited. So on ignition, the paper gets burned and gets charred, but the gold foil remains unharmed, except it will have a corrugated surface due to the shriveling of paper. This is called the corrugated gold foil. Moving on to the platinized gold foil, it is nothing but a sandwich of gold and platinum. It can be formed in two ways. That is, one sheet of a pure platinum foil is sandwiched between the two sheets of the gold foil and then it is hammered to a size of number 4 gold foil. Or it can be formed by layer of platinum and gold which is rolled over together. We are using platinum so that it will increase the hardness and the wear resistance of the gold foil. Coming to the laminated gold foil, it is when a gold foil is beaten from an ingot, the crystals are elongated in a specific direction. When such two to three foils are combined, which are running in different directions, it makes us gold foil more resistant to forces. Such a combination of two to three foil is called laminated gold foil. Coming to the electrolytic precipitated gold, which is nothing but a crystalline gold powder which is formed by the electrolytic precipitation. The powder, which is formed by heating at a temperature below the melting point of the gold. Matte gold, it is also an electrolytic precipitated gold, but the main difference here the electroplating is done in accelerated rate. It has a spongy nature which gives like a loosely arranged or a fern-like crystal arrangement. Coming to the matte foil, it is a sandwich of a matte gold placed in sheets of number 3 or number 4 gold foil. Then it is sintered just below the melting point. It eliminates the need to veneer the restoration as we are covering it with the gold foil. Moving on to the electroalloy, it is an alloy of electrolytic gold and calcium. Here, the calcium content ranges from 0.1 to 0.5% by weight. It produces a stronger restoration by dispersion hardening. Moving on to the powdered gold, it is obtained by the atomization from the molten state or by chemical precipitation. Here, gold is dissolved in aqua regia and it is precipitated by oxalic acid and sulfur dioxide or sodium nitrate. So what is aqua regia? It is nothing but 1 part of nitric acid and 3 parts of hydrochloric acid. This is the only solution where the gold can be dissolved. Moving on to the powdered gold and the gold foil combination. It is commercially available as pellets of powdered gold which is wrapped in a gold foil. It is commercially called as golden, and the ratio is about 95% powder and 5% of foil. Thank you.